Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In our previous video, we were discussing about the poem and elements of the poem. So today we will first we revise the previous work, then we will do our next. Okay. In our previous, I have told you that the poem is a collection of words that express an emotion or idea by using the rhyming words. Okay, and this is also our poem. Its name is Lit Things and its poet name is Julia Acaroning. So she is a female and the person who writes poem is called poet. Okay, the person who writes poems is called poet. Okay, why poetry is important? Because it's a emotional language. It has feelings, it has emotions, it has ideas. That's why it is so beautiful and it is so important. Okay, the elements of the poem. There are 4 elements. We were discussed in our previous video also. Rhyming words, scheme, theme and main idea. So what is rhyming? What is a rhyme? A rhyme is a pattern of words that contains similar sound and it contains the ending similar sound. Here is an example of rhyming words: sand, land, away, stray, love, above. These all are the examples of the rhyming words and these are from taken from this poem. These rhyming words taken from this poem, Lit Things. Okay, now we will discuss the theme of the First we discuss about the scheme of the poem. I have told you that the scheme of the poem is from poet side. Okay, here is a poet want to write his poetry in 2 lines or 3 lines or 4 lines. It's up to poet. Okay, let's see. This poem has 3 line stanzas. Okay, this poem has 3 line stanzas and here is a line breaker. This comma is called the line breaker. 1, 2 and the last one is a complete sentence. Last one is a complete sentence. First we read it, then you will understand. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the beauteous land. So this word and tells us it's a complete sentence because and is a linking word. As you know that it's a conjunction. So the linking word make 2 sentences together 1. Okay, so this is 3 line stanza. And what is stanza? Stanza is a group of lines in a poem. What is stanza? Stanza is a group of lines in a poem. Simply we can say a 2 line stanza is also called stanza and one line of a poem is called a verse and 2 lines of the stanza, 2 lines of a verse is called stanza. Okay, and it's from poet side. He wants to write his poem in 2 line stanza, in 3 line stanza or in 4 line stanza. So first we look at the poem and then we will count the total stanzas. Here is little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the beauteous land. It's a first stanza. So we will number it. It's number 1. Now come on your book page number 22. Book page number 22. Okay, here is And the little moments, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. It's a second stanza. So the little errors lead the soul away from the paths of virtue into sin to stray. It's stanza number 3. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our earth an Eden like the heaven above. So it's a 4th stanza. So this poem contains 4 stanzas. Okay, now come on again our book page number 21. Okay, we were discussing about the scheme. Now come on the theme. And theme is the poem, is the cause of the poem. Theme is the cause of the poem. Here is written our yesterday's theme. So when we read the poem, then we will be able to understand the theme. So first we read this poem again. Before it, we read the poem by counting the stanzas. Now we will read the poem by getting the theme, by understanding the theme. So read it again carefully with me. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, make the mighty ocean and the beauteous land. Okay, this is all about the little things, because little things are most important. If the little things are together, they make the mighty things. Okay, now come on, page number 22. We read the stanzas again. And the little moments, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. So the little errors lead the soul away from the paths of virtue into sin to stray. So often little things in life indicate great changes. Little things in life indicate great changing. Okay. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love, make our earth an Eden like the heaven above. So these are the main things of the poem. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love. What do these two things do? Make our earth an Eden. Little deeds of kind make our earth an Eden, and little words of love like the heaven above, they both make our earth Eden. These two things make our earth Eden like heaven above. So what do you think about the theme? Here are the most important things, little things. The poet stress on the little things, little deeds of kinds, little words of love, little drops of water, little grains of sand. So she stresses on the little things, little deeds. The mean is, the theme of the poem is that small acts of kindness are very important. Theme of this poem is small acts of kindness are very important. Small acts of kindness are important. So I have written the theme on the sheet. Small acts of kindness are important. So today we will discuss about the theme. We discussed about the stanza. We discussed about rhyming words again. So now come on the main idea. Main idea. What is the main idea? Main idea of a poem is what the poem is mostly about. Simply, main idea of a poem is what the poem is mostly about. Theme and main idea both are similar, but somehow every stanza has its own main idea and its supporting detail. But the poem, the complete poem, the full poem has the theme. Okay? Theme comes after end of the poem. When we read the poem, when we read the story, when we read the text, then we will be understand, then we will be able to understand about the theme. And it is the cause of writing the poem, it is cause of writing of the story, of the facts. And the main idea is what the poem is mostly about. So the poem is mostly about small acts of kindness. How we will understand about the main idea from the text? We will discuss it tomorrow again. Okay, I have repeated all the elements of the poem again by using the little things. Yesterday in our previous video I have discussed all the things by using another exampler, and today I discuss these things by using this poem little things. Okay, it's time to our diary. Underline the difficult words on book page number 20 and 21 and 22. Okay, and write words meaning from book page number 98 to on notebook and memorize them. Look, open your book page number 98. Look at, yes, these are your words meaning. Little things poem, and your words meaning are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And you will memorize all these words meaning and then write down on your notebook. Allah Hafiz.